Today we're going to be showing you how to make the perfect cinnamon rolls. So first you'll need 2 cups of flour. Next you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next you will need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Next you add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next you'll need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And the last ingredient for the dough is 3/4 cup of milk. And then you mix until it forms a dough-like substance. Now for the filling, you will need 4 tablespoons of butter. Next, you will need 1 cup of white sugar or brown sugar. Finally, to finish off the filling, you're going to need 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. You will need to mix all these ingredients together to make it into a filling consistency. After mixing the filling, you should get something that looks like this. The next step will be to roll out the dough. After making the dough, you should let it sit for 15 minutes. Then knead the dough with your hands nicely. Then roll out the dough until it is flat. Make sure to make the edges thin too. Once you rolled out the dough, cover it with the filling you made. Afterwards, roll up the dough so it looks like a long roll. Once you have a long roll, cut it up into smaller pieces as shown. Then put it in an oven-safe container. Then put it in the oven. Then let it bake for about 20 minutes. After it's done baking, let it cool for a few minutes. After it's cooled for a few minutes, you can add powdered sugar or glaze on top according to your liking.